at the view, guys. Isn't that awesome?
Sakai Nagpur. हेलो, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। मैं अपने ऑफिस के कुछ कलीग से मिलाना चाहता हूँ, तो आइए। तो सबसे पहले मेरे सामने है रागिनी, द कंटेंट राइटर।
Hi.
दिस इज प्रतीक यावलकर।
Hello, it's your boy Pratik Yavalkar, aka Alter.
दिस इज सरिता मैम, द डिजाइनर, द फेमस। शी इज डूइंग फ्रॉम लास्ट 8 years.
Yes.
She is definitely best at it.
Thank you.
This is Kunal,
Hi.
web developer. This is Ashish.
Hello everyone.
I see you. And this is Pratik ji. He is also a best friend. Happy Gudi Padwa! Showing you a quick view of my office.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be.
Happy Gudi Padwa to Seafarer Runesh.
1, 2,